Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and restart your Roku TV with just a remote? Well, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to teach you two methods that you can go ahead and do so. First one is going to be a hidden remote code, which is best for unresponsive TVs. All you need to do is press the home 5 times. So quickly press the home button on your remote, the one with the house icon, 5 times in a row, and then press the up arrow button once, and then press the rewind button twice, and then simply press the fast forward button twice. The screen will go black, show the Roku bouncing letters, and then restart to the home screen within about 30 to 60 seconds. The second way you can do it is by pressing the home button to go to the home screen, scroll down to the select settings, system, and then select system, select power, then system restart, and that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.